In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on Creality Cloud. First, open the Creality Cloud sign-up page by navigating to the website. You can do this by entering the address m.crealitycloud.com/register into your web browser. You will see a clean and simple interface designed for easy navigation. This page is where your journey begins, so take a moment to ensure you have a stable internet connection. This ensures that the process runs smoothly without interruptions. Once the page loads completely, you are ready to move on to the next step. Next, you will need to enter your email address. Carefully type in the address you want to use for your Creality Cloud account. Make sure it's an email you have access to, as you'll need it for verification later. This step is crucial because it is how Creality Cloud will communicate with you regarding your account. After entering your email, double-check for any typos. An incorrect email could lead to delays in receiving important information. Once you're satisfied, proceed to the next step. Now, click on the button that says Get Verify Code. This action will prompt Creality Cloud to send a verification code to the email address you just entered. You should see a message confirming that the code is on its way. This step is essential for security as it helps verify your identity and ensures that only you have access to this account. If you are quick, you may notice the button change briefly, indicating that the request is being processed. After a moment, check your email inbox for the verification code. Be patient, it could take a few minutes. If you do not see it, remember to check your spam folder as sometimes emails land there. Once you find the email, return to the registration page and enter the code you received. This code is typically a series of numbers and letters. Input it carefully to avoid errors. Getting this step right is key as it confirms your email and moves you closer to completing your account setup. Next, you will create a password for your account. The password must be between 6 and 18 characters long and include both letters and numbers. This requirement is important because it enhances the security of your account. Choose something memorable but not easily guessed. A strong password keeps your account safe from unauthorized access. Once you've entered your password, confirm it by typing it again in the provided field. This ensures that you've made no mistakes in the process. Following that, you will see an optional step regarding the Creality Cloud newsletter. You can choose whether or not to subscribe. If you enjoy updates and tips about 3D printing, it might be beneficial to sign up. If not, you can skip this step without any consequences. It's entirely up to your preferences. This option allows you to stay informed about new features, models, and community updates, enhancing your experience with Creality Cloud. Now, it's time to read the user agreement and privacy policy. This is a vital step that many users overlook. Understanding these documents helps you know your rights and responsibilities as a user. Once you've read through the documents, click the Confirm button. This action finalizes your account creation process and indicates that you agree to the terms. After this step, you should see a confirmation message or be redirected to your new account dashboard. After creating your account, you can now use Creality Cloud to browse 3D models, slice files, and connect compatible printers. This platform opens up a world of possibilities for your 3D printing projects. You can explore a vast library of designs and collaborate with other users. Always remember, if you do not receive the verification email, check your spam folder and wait a few minutes. Some users have reported delays in receiving the code during temporary service issues. Creality Cloud supports account registration and login through its website and mobile app. This flexibility allows you to access your account from multiple devices, making it convenient for you to manage your 3D printing needs. Enjoy your journey into the world of 3D printing with Creality Cloud.